Welcome to Every Mile.
Every mile, we're making memories side by side, growing in love and unity with every destination, new story.
Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today we are here in Coloma, California to learn about the discovery of gold in 1848 that led to the California Gold Rush, and so many people moving here to California to try to seek their fortune.
I wish I had yours.
So here in the visitor center they have scavenger hunts for the kids. Kind of look around and find some of the cool items, like the duck head. So we just did the math on this, and by today's standard of cost per ounce, it's over $12 billion. What are you doing, baby? You find all the different animals? Now we are here today at Sutter's Mill, where gold was first discovered by a man named James Marshall, who was the leader of the mill as it was being built. He was walking through the river. We'll show you the spot that he was. He looked down, he saw something shiny, he picks it up, and sure enough, it was gold. He takes it then to his boss, John Sutter, who confirms that it's gold, and they try to keep it a secret, but it doesn't last too long, and suddenly people are flooding in from all over the place. But you can see this is a beautiful, beautiful valley, beautiful park. Very well maintained, and every staff member that we've met so far has been amazing. What do you think of this place?
Good.
What's your favorite part?
The river.
The river? Isn't it beautiful? So John Sutter secured a 50,000 acre land grant from the Mexican government and wanted to build a town. In order to do so, he needed lumber. So he hired James Marshall to build this mill so that they'd be able to create lumber to build the town. The original mill has long since deteriorated, fallen apart. They have the wood over on display in another area. So this is just an exact replica of what the mill looked like.
Hey, brother.
So this is the Mormon cabin, a replica of the Mormon cabin. We hope you enjoyed touring Sutter's Mill with us. Thank you for coming with us on this adventure, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye.